Smoke good, eat good, live good. Smoke good, eat good, live good, live good. I used to wanna see the penitentiary way after elementary. Thought it was cool to look the judge in the face when he sentenced me. Since my uncles was institutionalized, my intuition had said I was suited for family ties. My mom is stressing, my daddy tired. I need me a weapon, these niggas ride every minute, hour and second. Ministers tried to save me, how I'm gon' listen when I don't even hear God? Heaven or hell, base it all on my instincts. My hands dirty, you worried about mud in your sink. You like to mistake a street nigga for real nigga. That same nigga that killed with you, squeal with you. I deal with you like my son, stare at the sun, and you'll be looking in my eyes, homie. Stand for something or fall for anything, and you working with 2 left feet at the skating rink. But anyway, this for my niggas, uncles, 23 hours sending me pictures. I want you to know that I'm so determined to blow, that you hear the music I wrote, hope it get you off death row. You came home to a pocket full of stones, a Metro PC phone, then you went back in. So when I touch the pen is in my view. I'ma get it right, just so you smoke.